Hello and welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar. I'm your astrologer N Baksh, and today we're here with some exciting news about a major shift in planetary positions that could bring significant relief and positivity to your life. Mars, which has been in a debilitating position in Cancer since October 2024, caused challenges for many, especially in matters of finances, decision making, and emotional stability. But now, Mars is moving into Gemini, opening up opportunities and creating a golden period for the next 72 days. In today's video, we'll discuss Mars in detail, its positive and negative effects, and how this transition can bring long awaited success and financial improvements in your life. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Mars, often referred to as the planet of action, courage, and determination, has several positive qualities that can significantly impact your life when placed well in your birth chart. Mars fills individuals with fearlessness and the ability to take risks. It gives you the strength to face challenges head on without hesitation. A strong Mars ensures swift yet calculated decision making, which is especially beneficial in high pressure situations. People with a strong Mars often excel in fields like the military, navy, air force, police, and emergency services. Mars rules professions requiring physical strength, discipline, and leadership. It governs physical activity and competition, making athletes, sportspersons, and martial artists shine. Surgeons and doctors can harness Mars's precision and courage, leading to success in medical fields requiring bold and quick decisions. Mars has the power to provide unexpected wealth, whether through inheritance, real estate, or successful ventures. Mars brings out the inner adventurer, encouraging travel, exploration, and new experiences. It empowers you to become a natural leader with the ability to inspire and guide others. When Mars is weak, malefic, or placed in a challenging position, such as its debilitation in Cancer, it can lead to several negative effects. Weak Mars may lead to unexpected financial setbacks and impulsive expenditures, destabilizing your financial plans. Instead of making you bold, a malefic Mars can make you overly cautious or fearful, impacting your ability to take action. Mars influences health issues related to blood and inflammation, such as high blood pressure, piles, or other rectal issues. Accidents or injuries due to rash behavior are also possible. Weak Mars can make you rash and impulsive, leading to poor decision making and regrets. It can cause uncontrolled anger, frustration, and irritability, straining relationships and creating unnecessary conflicts. Jealousy, possessiveness, and harsh communication, traits of a troubled Mars. This may harm relationships with family, friends, or partners. A weak Mars increases fears or mishaps related to fire, electricity, or sharp objects, requiring extra caution. If Mars isn't supportive, individuals may find it challenging to establish themselves in leadership or demanding professions. For Aquarius natives, when Mars was transiting through your sixth house, the focus was on daily responsibilities, health, and work dynamics. Mars retrograde here may have brought about tensions in your work environment, possible conflicts with colleagues, or a sense of stagnation in your daily routine. It could have sparked a drive to work hard, but with frustration as progress felt slow. Mars retrograde in the sixth house often reveals hidden health issues, so be mindful of any ongoing ailments or stress related conditions. Now, as Mars retrogrades into your fifth house of creativity, intellect, and children, the energy shifts towards self expression, passion projects, and creative pursuits. This is a highly creative and self expressive area of your life. But with Mars retrograde here, you might experience delays or frustration with creative projects or your relationship with children. It could also highlight areas of self doubt or unresolved issues related to romantic ventures and creative goals. This is a time for reflection and assessment rather than fast action. So avoid pushing forward without a careful thought. Mars's retrograde motion in your fifth house asks you to evaluate your creative ambitions and refine your efforts. The fifth house governs your creativity and passions. During Mars retrograde, there is an opportunity to pause and reflect on your creative ambitions. Perhaps there are hobbies or creative pursuits you've left unfinished, or you've been neglecting an activity that brings you joy. Now is the time to reevaluate your relationship with creativity and ask yourself what projects or passions are worth pursuing. If you're in a relationship, Mars retrograde in your fifth house of romance invites you to reconsider your approach to love and dating. Is your relationship fulfilling? If you're single, this period may help you reassess past relationships or patterns, giving you clarity about what you truly want in a romantic relationship. Mars retrograde gives you a chance to heal and move forward with a clearer perspective on love. If you have children or plan to have them, this retrograde in the fifth house brings opportunities for revisiting how you relate to them. You may find ways to improve communication or resolve past conflicts. It is also an ideal time to reflect on your approach to nurturing their creativity and helping them reach their potential. Mars retrograde is an excellent period to revisit past investments in creative projects. Did you start a creative venture or business that didn't take off? Perhaps it's time to review what went wrong, assess your strategy, and correct courses. The retrograde motion helps you see mistakes without rushing into new decisions, allowing for wiser, more thought out actions in the future. For those of you who have suffered heartbreak or past emotional baggage, Mars retrograde in your fifth house is an excellent time to heal old wounds. Emotions that were suppressed or ignored may resurface now, giving you the opportunity to work through them and find closure. This clearing out of emotional baggage can bring new clarity and positive energy into your romantic life. Here are some remedies and advices for you. Mars retrograde in your fifth house suggests that you reconsider how you channel your creativity. Now is the perfect time to pick up a creative hobby, whether it's painting, writing, or even learning a new skill. Rediscover the activities that once brought you joy and creative fulfillment, and reintegrate them into your life. Take this time to reflect on your romantic life and relationships. Are these patterns or emotional blocks that need attention? Mars retrograde asks you to understand yourself better in terms of how you express affection and love. It's not a time for impulsive romantic moves, but rather a period of introspection to enhance your love life. You may have creative projects that were left behind or unfinished. Now is the right time to assess what you want to continue and what you should let go of. It could be an old business idea, artistic pursuit, or any initiative you began and didn't complete. Instead of starting something new, reevaluate the past and either proceed with new energy or close it with closure. Mars retrograde in the fifth house gives you an opportunity to reconnect with the part of yourself that is spontaneous, playful, and lighthearted. Spending time on activities that reawaken your sense of wonder and creativity can bring you joy. Try journaling, reminiscing about childhood hobbies, or simply indulging in moments of carefree fun. Mars's transit through your fifth house is an opportunity to set or revise your creative and artistic goals. Use this time to chart out plans and actions for achieving what you desire. The retrograde helps you uncover deeper aspects of what you are passionate about, giving you insights on how best to manifest your creative aspirations. As Mars shifts from the sixth house of work and health to the fifth house of creativity and self expression, this retrograde cycle asks you to pause and reflect. It's a perfect time for revisiting old creative endeavors, addressing your relationships with children, or even reconciling with unresolved emotions in your romantic life. Don't rush into new projects or relationships. Use this time wisely to evaluate, clear old baggage, and refine your approach. For more personalized analysis or remedies based on your unique birth chart, get in touch with us. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar for more astrological insights. Take care and use this retrograde to reignite your passions and creative spirit.